Hello everybody, here is my dashboard, weekly dashboard. This dashboard consists of some of data like cooks, sales, cost analysis, staff meal, production mix, budget plan, list for the supported dashboard, and my process to create this dashboard with a complicated formula to make the dashboard is very dynamic, as you can see. And this the finished product for dashboard, dynamic dashboard. This dashboard will display cost, gross sales, profit, budget, inventory, top 10 stock gain and stock loss, year to date food cost, beverage cost, and sales by category. And this drop down list for weeks to display week by week, and everything will change by week as you can see in this dashboard, based on the data in the below sheets, green sheets, and everything here will be based on customer requirement.